Hello, beautiful people. Barley water is made from barley, which is believed to be one of the oldest grains in the world. Although it is not a staple of most American diets, there is growing evidence that barley and barley-based foods have a variety of health benefits. In this video, we look at the evidence behind the many health claims about barley, as well as its nutritional value. We also list steps on how to make barley water at home. The health benefits of barley water include 1. Prevents UTIs. Drinking barley water is a great natural remedy for urinary tract infections (UTIs). Owing to its diuretic effect, the intake of barley water increases urination, which in turn facilitates the expulsion of toxins and infection-causing bacteria from the body. Barley water also works to mitigate the damaging effects of certain kidney-hampering toxins, and acts as a good anti-inflammatory agent for the urinary system. Lower inflammation levels are associated with improved kidney health and reduced risk for kidney disease. To help prevent UTIs, drink several cups of barley water daily in combination with an overall healthy diet. 2. Supports weight loss. Barley water is a great agent in aiding weight shedding. Its high fiber content, especially beta-glucans, curb your appetite by keeping you satiated for a long time, thus helping you suppress cravings and eat less. This, in turn, keeps you from snacking between meals simply out of habit. This, compounded by the fact that barley water is good for digestion and stimulates metabolism of fats, makes it just the thing you need if you're looking to lose the extra pounds. What's more, is that barley water helps you keep hydrated even as you try to sweat the fat out. Although barley water is made of barley, rest assured that it is not the same as a beer that increases the risk of weight gain. To assist with weight loss, drink 3 cups of barley water daily. 3. Lowers cholesterol. Being high in insoluble fiber, barley water is considered beneficial in reducing blood cholesterol levels and thereby decreasing the risk of heart disease. The dietary fiber in barley is also high in beta-glucans that help prevent the absorption of cholesterol from food in the stomach and intestines. Barley-derived beta-glucans have been found to be beneficial in suppressing total cholesterol, low-density lipoproteins (LDL), or bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, without having any bearing on the good cholesterol levels. This makes intake of barley water an effective way of improving cardiovascular health. 4. Keeps the heart healthy. In addition to lowering cholesterol, barley water also helps prevent atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the thickening of arterial walls and subsequent constriction of blood flow. This, in turn, makes cardiovascular threats such as a stroke or a heart attack more imminent. Furthermore, barley water contains a B vitamin called niacin that helps keep atherosclerosis in check, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and lipid-altering effects. Plus, the high fiber content of barley water helps lower high blood pressure, which is another contributing factor to cardiovascular disease and stroke. 5. Gives you a clear skin. Barley water is also useful for the maintenance of clear and glowing skin. Barley contains a compound called azelaic acid that is used in medications to treat mild to moderate acne. It also helps reduce the inflammation that is sometimes associated with skin breakouts. Plus, barley water boasts antioxidants that help fight free radicals and mitigate the skin damage caused by them. Thus, it helps combat signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines and keeps your skin taut by maintaining its elasticity. In addition to drinking barley water, you can also apply it on your face. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. You can do this few times a week. How to make barley water. Barley water is easy to make. Many people choose to add natural flavorings, such as lemon, to the water to give it a better taste. To make 6 cups of lemon barley water, a person will need 3/4 cup of pearl barley, 2 lemons, juice and peel, 1/2 cup of honey, 6 cups of water. Follow the steps below to make barley water. Rinse the barley under cold water until water runs clear. Put the barley in a saucepan, along with lemon peel and 6 cups of water. Bring the mixture to the boil over a medium heat. Turn down the heat and simmer for between 15 and 30 minutes. Strain the mixture into a heat-proof bowl and discard the barley. Stir in the honey until it dissolves. Pour into bottles and refrigerate until chilled. Are there any risks or side effects? Barley contains gluten, so anyone with a wheat allergy or intolerance should avoid it. Barley is an excellent source of dietary fiber, but also contains other essential minerals, including magnesium, manganese, and selenium. Compared to whole grain oats, barley has more dietary fiber and is lower in fat and calories. Per 100 grams, barley contains 354 calories, 2.3 grams of fat, and 17.3 grams of fiber. The same quantity of oats contains 389 calories, 6.9 grams of fat, and 1.60 grams of fiber. Barley-based foods have a range of health benefits, many of which come from its fiber content. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.